In this video, I'm gonna show you how to buy Uncharted 4 on PS4. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow my steps. So, first of all, you need to click to open your Google Chrome or favorite browser. After doing that, you'll be able to see the Google page right here. So, you can look in the search bar and search for PlayStation.com and click to search for it. After doing that, you'll be able to check the official page of PlayStation, and you'll be able to check right here games, PS5, PS4, services, and much more. But I just want to know how to buy Uncharted 4 on PS4. If you want to do that, you can just click right here in the PS4 section 1. After doing that, you'll be able to check games, controllers, headsets, and much more. You can click in the game sections now. After doing that, you'll be able to check all the games to PS4. So, if you go right here, you'll be able to swipe your screen to the bottom and check all the games to PS4. But if you want to be faster, you can just locate the search bar right here in the top corner at the right side. So, you can click there and search for Uncharted 4 and click to search for it. After doing that, you'll be able to check all the results of your search. And as you can see, the Uncharted 4 is right here, is the first one. So you can click there, and you'll be able to check the official page of Uncharted 4 in the official side of PlayStation. If you swipe your screen to the bottom, you'll be able to check a lot of information about the game. So, before buying the game, you just need to make the login in this official site first. You need to make the login with the account you're using your PS4. After doing that, you can click right here in the Buy Now button. So, you'll be able to download the game and start playing. Or you can also make a subscription right here in the PlayStation Plus Extra Access. So, after doing that, as I told you before, make the subscription, the game will be in your library, in your PS4, and you'll be able to download the game and start playing. So, until the moment I'm recording this video, that's the only way to do that. That's how it works. I hope I helped you in how to buy Uncharted 4 on PS4. If this video helped you, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more useful tips. Thank you for watching.